In this video, I'll guide you through how to create and monitor revenue goals in HubSpot. Whether you're a business owner, sales manager, or just someone trying to better understand your financial objectives, setting clear revenue goals is essential in tracking and achieving your financial targets. HubSpot makes this process straightforward, and I'm here to help you navigate it with ease. To get started, navigate to the reporting section in your HubSpot account. Once you're there, click on Goals. This is the dedicated space where you can set up and track various objectives for your business. Setting goals is a powerful way to keep your team focused and aligned with your company's broader mission. Now let's dive into creating a goal using HubSpot's built-in functionality. You'll want to click on the Create Goal button, and from the drop-down menu, select Create from Template. Using a template can save you a lot of time and effort since HubSpot has already done the heavy lifting by creating customizable formats that fit various business needs. Templates ensure you don't miss any critical elements when setting your goals. Next, you'll need to choose a category for your goal. In this case, select Sales. Within the Sales category, you'll find the Revenue template. This template is specifically designed to help you focus on monetary targets, which is precisely what we're aiming to achieve. Selecting the right category and template is crucial because it ensures that all the metrics and KPIs you're interested in are aligned with your revenue objectives. Once you've selected the revenue template, you'll be prompted to fill in the specifics of your goal. This includes defining the time frame, setting the target amount, and choosing which team members or departments will be responsible for reaching these goals. Setting a clear and achievable target is important because it provides a benchmark for success. Be sure to involve your team in this process to ensure everyone is on the same page and committed to achieving these targets. Monitoring the progress of your goals is just as important as setting them. HubSpot offers various tools and dashboards for tracking the progress of your revenue goals. Regularly checking these dashboards will help you stay on top of your progress and make necessary adjustments if needed. This proactive approach allows you to identify any potential roadblocks early on and take corrective actions to stay on track. Additionally, HubSpot provides detailed reports that offer insights into your performance. Use these reports to analyze trends, measure success, and make data-driven decisions. This continual monitoring and adjustment process is essential for ensuring that your revenue goals remain realistic and attainable. And there you have it. You've now learned how to create and monitor revenue goals in HubSpot. By following these steps, you can effectively set clear financial targets and keep your business moving towards success. Remember, regularly revisiting and adjusting your goals based on performance is key to long-term growth. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make the most out of HubSpot's powerful features. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.